what's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today you find me unboxing something from Huawei, but not in the usual smaller packaging. No, it's not a fitness wearable, it's not a brand new mobile phone. Instead, it's a much larger box. It's even got its own carry handle. Welcome to what is of course the Huawei MateBook D14. It's a new laptop PC which packages some powerful internals, gorgeous looking styling, as well as dimensions from what I've seen advertised online and the images out there. But now I'm excited to cut the seals open of my own one here, see what comes inside, get a feel for it, speak a bit about the features, and get to know Huawei's all-new MateBook. Okay, and first things first, you're greeted with this box, and it's got the Huawei logo on the front. It's also got a little bit of an outline here showing you that it's a laptop PC which we're going to be looking at, and over around the side of the box here you get the AMD branding. On the back, a couple of bits of information about the actual product, and over on this side here you get a little bit more info saying that this is the Mystic Silver Edition. It's of course powered by the CPU, which is the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U, which we'll get to play with and check out. It's got the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics card, as well as 8 gigs of onboard RAM and 512 gig SSD onboard storage. This is the 14-inch model, and it comes in at a weight of just over 2.2 kilograms. So with that being taken care of, let's cut the seals open now and actually see what comes inside the box. Ooh, and this is a nice unboxing experience. As you can see, you've got on top of the device itself your instructional manuals from Huawei, and inside the package here, if we get this bit of foam away, we will be greeted with the device itself. I can already feel in the hand, it feels very premium, very weighty, and of course it's a silver edition. So let's now get this bit of plastic open and take a look at the actual laptop itself, see what it looks like. You can already feel straight off the bat, it feels really premium in the hand. Firstly, I love this frosted silver finish it's got, as well as just the Huawei branding over on the front. It looks incredibly good, incredibly premium, and if we open it up, we'll take a look at the overall feel of the experience. It's just some plastic protecting the keys, and opening it up, we are of course greeted with the device. Now, it's got a very upmarket feel to it. It feels like a premium based product, and from what I've heard, it really is. So I'm excited to power it on and then show you a little bit about what it's like to use. But straight away, just to see what we're greeted with, it's got Huawei Share built in, the sharing functionality, as well as AMD Ryzen 5 chipset. Over on the one side here, we've got a USB Type A, a USB-C port, as well as a full HDMI port. Quite nice to see they've included this. Makes it great and easy to use for the likes of presentations. On the other side, another USB-A. Of course, these you can adapt and add hubs to if you want to increase the amount of ports. We've also got a 3.5mm audio jack here, which is quite nice. If you want to plug in a sound device or a pair of headphones, you've got that option. And over on the bottom, pretty simplistic there, AMD Radeon graphics card, as well as, of course, that it's running Windows, and it's got some vents for cooling. So now let's move on to actually making use of the device and seeing what it's like in terms of performance. All powered by Microsoft Windows 10. It's got a 14-inch display, but thanks to the ultra-slim bezels, you find it feels a lot larger than that. Then this Huawei MateBook D14 comes with 8 gigs of built-in RAM. It also has 256 gigabytes NVMe SSD storage, or you can have it as I've got here today, a 512 gig edition model. It has the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, which I must say for everyday tasks and usability feels really premium and snappy, and it's got Dolby Atmos sound built in, so you're getting a great overall audio experience. In terms of the graphical layout, it comes with the ATI Radeon Vega 8 graphics card. It's also got a built-in fingerprint reader, which is combined with the power key here for keeping your data safe and data integrity. You find it's got a full-size backlit and keyboard, and it feels very nice on the hands with the lighting as well. The laptop is sold with a 3-year warranty upon registration from Huawei, and priced at around 14,000 Rand. It also comes bundled with a lot of accessories which make it a great buy. It's currently available online. A link will be in the description below to some of the major online retailers. But you find what Huawei have put together here is an impressively premium looking device. Very stylish, slim, and great to look at, works well, and overall the size makes it an incredibly practical travel companion as well as a laptop able to hold its own. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.